In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a previous version in Canva. Adobe's rival Canva is a fantastic tool for creating designs, whether you're working on a presentation, social media post, or other projects. But, just like any creative process, sometimes we make changes we wish we could undo. Luckily, Canva provides a way to roll back to an earlier version of your design, which can save your work if something goes awry. However, remember that to use this feature, you'll need to have a Canva Pro account. Let's dive into the steps with a focus on ease and clarity. Start by opening the Canva design you've been working on. Once your design is open, you'll need to look to the upper left corner of your screen where you'll find the File menu. It's similar to most software interfaces, so this should look familiar if you've used other design programs. Go ahead and click on File. This is your first step to accessing your version history. The next thing you'll need to do is click on Version History. Just a quick reminder here, this feature is available only to Canva Pro users. If you're not on Canva Pro, you might want to consider upgrading for access to this and other fantastic features. Clicking on Version History opens up a panel where you can see a list of all previously saved versions. It's like a time machine for your design work. This panel is organized by dates and times, allowing you to track when each version was saved. Now take a close look at this list, consider which version you want to restore. You can easily preview these versions by clicking on each entry in the list. This is an excellent way to confirm that you're selecting the right one. Maybe you're looking for the version before a significant change, or possibly the one that had that particular style you were experimenting with before. Once you've identified the version you want to go back to, select it. Canva will then display it so you can take one final look to ensure everything is as you would like. Finally, to complete the restoration process, click on the Restore button after selecting the version you want. Canva will automatically revert your design to that state. This feature is incredibly helpful in managing your design workflow, providing the reassurance that your creative iterations are safe and retrievable. And there you have it, you've successfully restored a previous version of your Canva design. Next time something unexpectedly changes in your project, remember these steps to navigate back in time. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and clear. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with Canva.